you're aware, Mr. Pages, he did drive today, but he does have his driver's license situations squared away. He is of the world famous Pages Circus troupe.
Oh, okay. Why back Pages?
This hearing says a lot about why Judge Middleton has become a fan favorite online. He's not out to embarrass people. He's out to fix the root of the problem. Whether it's a circus worker, a broke driver, or a repeat offender, his courtroom runs on logic, not ego. If you found this case as fascinating as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns that reveal the human side of justice.
Younger than that now. Good morning, sir. You're headed for Mayaca City, Florida?
Eventually, yes.
And they moved this up because you wanted to get on your way. You're charged at this time with driving without a valid license ever acquired, which is 257904A. It's a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. I think the way that one is charged. Mr. Stickley, we've got a couple no insurances. Perhaps if I have this gentleman have a seat, you could tell the prosecutor's got a license and see whether they would amend the charge.
Yep.
This charge goes on your driving record. There's another one that does not. Where is your license from?
The state of Florida.
How'd you happen to be in Michigan?
I'm employed by a small traveling circus.
Was it somewhere around here?
Right in front of this building.
They're at the fairgrounds.
We were at the fairgrounds, but the traffic stop was right in front of this building.
We had a circus at the fair on July 1st.
We did.
Well, they didn't advertise it very well because I didn't even hear anything about it.
They had all the free tickets in every gas station, bar. So, yeah, they did.
All right. Well, have a seat, sir. We'll see if we can reconcile this. Did you go to the circus? He was in it, but I
Not this time.
When I was a kid, I went to a circus, which would be about where the middle school is in Three Rivers right now, and I got stung by a bee. So my childhood memory of the circus is get stung by a bee. Michael John Grams, would you come forward, please? Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I'll agree with you. I was surprised I didn't hear nothing about the circus either, and I live in Sturgis.
Well, that might have been something I might have gone to see. I like the idea of a small traveling circus.
Here comes Patrick Burnett. Same charge, different outcome. He actually got insurance within hours of being pulled over. That small act of responsibility might save him hundreds in fines and possibly his record. It's a good reminder that in Middleton's court, effort counts. You show initiative, you get respect.
At any rate, sir, you got charged with no insurance. We get lots of these. We have several today. They can now run your license plate and they can tell whether you have insurance or not. The way this is charged, it's not under the motor vehicle code, it's under the insurance code. And it's a misdemeanor and it's punishable by up to a year in jail, fine of up to $500 and not less than $200 plus cost. Do you have insurance now?
No, but I do have my girlfriend's vehicle that I can drive since I only work 2 blocks away. So until I get insurance on it, I don't have to drive it.
Mr. Stickley, one option would be to adjourn this for a while to have him come back with proof of insurance, and then the prosecutor might be inclined to reduce it.
That would be my recommendation if he was.
Let's talk about this, Mr. Grams. This charge is expensive. It's punishable by up to a year in jail and requires you get fingerprinted. The minimum fine is $325. There's a lesser charge called no proof of insurance, and I always do this, but it means you didn't have a little slip in the car. That's a civil infraction. It's punishable by a fine only. And if you come in and show that you have insured the vehicle, the prosecutor almost always will reduce the charge to the civil infraction. The goal is just to get people insured, and I'll give you the heads up, it's super expensive. You get an accident and you don't have any insurance because the other guy's.
This right here is Judge Middleton at his best, turning a fine into a teachable moment. Instead of hammering Grams with punishment, he explains the bigger picture. Insurance isn't just paperwork, it's protection, and that driving, well, poor line later on, that's his way of pointing out how poverty and punishment often overlap in America's legal system.
Insurance company is going to sue you for thousands of dollars. Happens about 20 times a year. So do you plan to get insurance on the vehicle?
Absolutely. And if you guys did offer that, I appreciate it and go forward with that. Yeah.
All right, so let's adjourn this.
The only, as far as coming back to show it, would it be at a time where I wouldn't have to miss work, or would I take
Well,
off
that's a
work?
question. I was just going to ask that. Are you missing work right now?
No, yeah, but I got vacation. I got vacation time, so it's not a big deal.
Well,
can
I
take
have to set it
a couple hours
Thursday
off.
morning. So where do you work?
Sturgis in Parmatube. If it's something like in the morning, I can shoot over,
All right.
pay it
we'll
2
do-
hours,
we'll-
just take 2 hours.
we'll
That'd be
do that.
perfect. Awesome.
Let's set it for, I won't be here that day, August 7th.
Okay, it gives me 1 month to get it. That's awesome. I appreciate that, Judge.
Yeah, like I said, the goal is to help people get insurance.
Instead of just paying the fine and then coming
Yeah,
back
and then they're
6
still
months
driving
later.
around with no insurance. So this makes more sense. You know, if you pay the fine, you go, then the money you just paid me, you don't have to pay for insurance. This often comes with an improper plate. I call it driving while poor. People didn't have the money to renew their insurance or get a plate, and they're driving anyway. But this makes more sense. It helps make sure that people get insured. It'll be a Thursday, August 7th. At 8:30. Bring proof of insurance. That alone might save you about $175. So put that on your refrigerator. Come back with your insurance while you meet with a prosecutor, and hopefully they'll be able to work something out with you. All right, you're good to go, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Is your shop shut down for the holiday?
Tomorrow. Actually, I'm going back to work right now
All
since
right.
I've got out early. Thank you very much.
All right, good luck, sir.
Appreciate that.
All right, we'll get him squared away. Patrick Burnett. Let's see about Mr. Gramps. This is file number 251009.
And just like that, the tone shifts. Next up, Michael John Grams, facing a no insurance misdemeanor. This one's no joke. Driving uninsured might seem like a shortcut to save cash, but it's legally risky and financially brutal. Middleton's about to drop some real-world wisdom on why it's better to fix it than fake it.
SM, People versus Patrick Kelly Burnett. Mr. Burnett, you're in the same boat as the last guy with the same charge. Do you have insurance on your vehicle now?
I do, Your Honor. I actually got it within an hour and a half of the stop in the impound. So it was insured before it was taken out of impound.
Oh, it's expensive with the impound.
Yeah, it's $250.
Who's your insurance carrier?
They are, I have the picture on my phone.
All right, why don't you
Yes.
show that to Mr. Stickley?
Oh, Hackenberg and Schreiber
Yeah.
out of Three Rivers.
All right.
I don't know why my my fiance didn't suggest it sooner. She said, why don't I just add you to my insurance? That would have been nice to know a month ago. I thought it had only been 2 weeks when I had gotten pulled over, not a.
Hackenberg and Schreiber is an old Three Rivers. There's neither Mr. Hackenberg or Mr. Schreiber are alive anymore, but it's been there for 70 years or more. All right, you have a seat. I'm going to have Mr. Stickley check with the prosecutor and see if they'll reduce this charge.
Okay, thank you.
That's two. Several people that didn't show up. Clifton Davis. Good morning, sir. Are you Clifton Navarre Davis?
Neve,
Neve, I'm sorry.
you're fine.
You got charged with no valid operator's license again. Let's take a look at your ticket. For a guy from Niles, you sure end up getting tickets over here.
Yeah, I don't be over in Niles anymore. I haven't changed my address yet.
Now you live in Battle Creek.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at your ticket. It was Sturgis. You get all over the place at 11 o'clock in the morning on May 29th. Charged with driving without a valid license. Nothing.
Did you catch that? The man literally said he works for a traveling circus and got pulled over right in front of the courthouse. You can't script this stuff. But notice how the judge doesn't roll his eyes. Instead, he treats it like any other case. That's classic Middleton. Even when life feels like a circus, he keeps it professional.
More in there. Your driving record. Shows you're not licensed.
Yeah, I got my permit now.
All right, well, good. You also got a bunch of unpaid tickets here in St. Joe County. 2023, possession of marijuana under 21, you got $144. 2022, no proof of registration, $12. You got a no proof of insurance, which they reduced from the no insurance, $258. So you have a total of $414 of unpaid fines. I can make some of those go away with the jail. Maybe not.
I can pay those.
What's that?
I can pay those.
All right, so you have a permit now?
Yeah, I just gotta wait a couple more weeks to get my license.
All right. 7325. Do you have your permit with you?
Yes, sir.
You show it to Mr. Stickley. I think I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the other guy. I'm gonna adjourn your case about a month, see if you can pay your unpaid fines and get your license. Pay fine and costs and get license. I'm gonna continue this to August 7th of the other case.
This courtroom has seen it all, but today's docket is something else entirely. From a traveling circus performer pulled over right outside the courthouse, to repeat offenders juggling unpaid fines and missing insurance. Judge Middleton's patience is about to be tested. Stick around because this session flips from serious to surreal real fast.